Good afternoon, Naveen. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also good. Seems like you have a great day today. Good morning. How was it?
Yes, it was a good day up to now.
Up till now.
It was good day up till now.
Up till now. Till now. Only say till now. It is.
Yeah, till now.
So tell me, what did you do after getting up?
After getting up, I took my bath and I just went out and had breakfast, and then
You don't eat at home?
no, actually, I'm staying in room. I'm away from my home, and
Okay,
my
you are away
parents.
from your
Yeah,
home.
my yes. My parents are in my hometown. Actually, I'm from a village, but I am currently staying near to Hyderabad.
Near Hyderabad. Okay, right.
Yeah, that is the
So for
reason why.
job reasons, people have to travel to move to several places away from home.
Yes, yes.
You don't cook yourself.
Sometimes, whenever
Okay.
I have free time, uh,
Mhm.
I will cook. But
Okay. So
oftenly, I
you're
eat
aware.
outside. Generally, I
Oftenly,
cook.
no.
Hmm,
Oftenly is no word.
hmm, often,
Generally is okay. Quite often is okay.
quite often.
Quite often I cook.
Okay, okay.
You are aware
No,
of the topic, right? Okay, say. You want to say something? Please say.
uh, for lunch and daily, I cook rice in a rice cooker and I take curries from Curry's Point.
Okay. That's also fine. Little bit of cooking, home cooked food should be there. Otherwise, it is going to affect your health in the long
Yes,
run.
yes,
Okay, so you're aware of the topic. It is social work.
yeah, social work.
Would you rather be able to talk with the animals or speak all foreign language? Which one would you choose and why?
Actually, these questions were
It
asked
is.
in
It
my
is.
last session.
So leave this topic. Even I am not interested in this. Can I change the topic?
Sure, and
Okay. Even I am not interested in this. Very quirky, very strange question was there. Really strange.
uh, and
Wait,
we'll discuss about social work.
you want to discuss about social work, or should I take any other topic?
Go ahead. I think you are searching for a new topic, right?
Yes. Are you a
Mm.
risk taker?
Yes.
Yes. How?
Um,
How and why? Tell me, why are you risk taker?
so I can say that. Mm, Earlier, I used to do a job.
Okay.
So, um my friends and my colleagues also, they also doing that job. But I quit that job to get a better job.
Okay. That
So,
was a risk taken by you.
yeah,
That was a risk taken by you. Okay.
yes.
Okay. So, do you think it was worth it? Any such situation, even if you are doing good in your job, everything is good, and you search for another job, this risk is worth taking?
Yes, I can say that it's worth. Why? Because if I settle in the job with with limited amount of salary, so I may not reach my goals. So that is the reason, I quit that job, and currently I am trying to get a best job, better than that.
Better,
So,
better job.
better job. So it takes some time, but it's okay for me if I get a job which I want. So I can lead my life better.
So you meant to say, to fulfill your dreams, to for your personal growth and your financial growth, you should take risk. Otherwise, there are some unambitious people. You are ambitious, you took risk. But there are certain people who are not so ambitious. I don't want much in my life. I am content. I am okay. They don't take risk, such risk, I guess. Right?
Yes,
Okay, tell
I
me
agree.
any,
Hmm.
yes, any riskiest activity you have ever done in your life.
Hmm. Quitting my job is the riskiest thing, right?
No, activity, I said activity.
Activity, I think, swimming.
That
Uh,
is risky.
yeah, risky activity, right? When
Okay.
if you are good with swimming, or if you are very perfect at swimming, so you can swim. But when, while you are learning, it is a risky thing, right? Swimming, if it is a life risk thing.
No, all the lifeguards are there to save you, there to train you.
But sometimes, actually, I learn uh, swimming at a agricultural well in my village.
Okay.
So in swimming pool, the what we call the depth of the swimming pool is somewhat less comparing to the wells in villages.
Oh, that is understandable, right? Get it, I get
Yeah,
it. Then it is
that
risky.
that yeah, that was a risky activity which I done.
Where's your native village, hometown?
Uh, my hometown name is Dacharam, and it's I think 100 kilometer away from Hyderabad,
No, which state?
Telangana.
Telangana. Okay.
Yeah, and you're from
Delhi.
Delhi. Oh, great. Capital
Nothing
of
is
India.
nothing great about it.
It's, in terms of technology, you're sitting in Delhi, I'm sitting in Telangana.
Technology,
We are talking together.
technology, medical, and opportunities, job opportunities, and education. These four things are there. Otherwise, nothing is good
Hmm.
in Delhi. Any metropolitan city, nothing is good. You
Yeah,
breathe in a
like
polluted air. You breathe in a polluted air. You don't find
yes.
peace anywhere. When you have to go to market to shop something, the vehicles are honking and bustling city. So nothing good is there.
Okay, so you are born and brought up in Delhi, or
Yes,
you are
yes,
from
yes.
any other place?
No, no, born and brought up in Delhi since 52 years I'm here.
Oh, so you didn't live a
Never
life
moved.
in village.
Huh?
You didn't spend a time in village, and you didn't live a life
Never.
in village in your entire
I
life.
had never had such chance, such opportunity to go and live somewhere in the village.
Don't you have relations in villages for festival purpose? We generally
No,
go to relative homes to spend two,
no,
three
no one
days.
is there. No.
Yeah. So you
I
have to
went
know,
to
yeah, yeah, go
I
ahead.
went to I went to Darjeeling, Lamahata. There was a village in jungle, Lamahata,
Okay.
very downhill, not uphill,
Okay,
downhill.
understand.
There was total jungle, and no shops were around. Nothing was there. Lamahata village in West Bengal, I guess, near Darjeeling.
Yeah,
So went
Darjeeling
there
belongs to
and
West Bengal, right?
just that, just like that. There was no ponds, lakes, nothing. It was a forest,
Okay.
proper forest.
So you went
Otherwise,
for like sightseeing, visiting purpose. You went there, right?
yes, huh? It's a long story. Time is running.
Oh, sure.
Activities I was talking about, those adventurous parks, where the very risky swings are there. Have you ever
Mm.
done it? Have you ever done it?
Uh, Adventurous.
Parks, adventurous parks, very this rope climbing. What is that called? So many adventures are there on seaside also. Water adventures are there.
So in uh, I can say that in my childhood we used to play a game. So we group of children are there. We had to climb a tree from its trunk, and we have to get down from its branches. So that
Okay,
was the game. Did you
that
understand the
was the
game rule?
game. Yes, yes, yes.
So
Just to
it's
jump,
yeah.
just to jump from one branch to another, right?
So not one branch to another. We have to uh, get down from that branch only.
Okay, down,
Yeah. So generally
jump.
branches
Only
are, yeah.
jumping was there. Okay,
Yes. So we have to, what we call, um by using that branches, we just, by using our hands, we just climb that branches, and we
jump,
climb to get down. Yeah.
jump.
If we, yeah, no, if we jump, it is somewhat far away from the land, so we get injuries if we jump from there. so
Okay.
we we use it, our hands, and we just take the support of the branches, and we just, how we jump, but we didn't land on earth. We somewhat, how we can say, uh, our hands, we, um, how can I call it?
You can
So
say in Hindi, I'll translate it.
actually,
You
I'm
know
not
Hindi.
good with Hindi. So I have to convey in English only. So
Acha,
I
okay.
can say that, I can take a stick, and this is a stick. It is a branch. So we just like this. We just hold the branch, and we'll get down. So we are, no, our legs not on the land. So what is that situation?
You are swinging.
Yes,
You are
yes,
swinging.
yes. So our friends, our friends used to come us, and they just uh,
Hug. Hug you.
uh, not hug. They just hold our legs, and they will
Acha,
help us
legs.
to sit down.
Okay, now I got it.
Yeah,
Now I get it. You used to those branches and swing, and then
yeah,
your friend will come and hold your legs like this,
yeah.
and then you'll fall
Then
down.
we'll follow.
So,
So
so
that was
it,
the activity.
you won't be hurting yourself. You don't get won't get any injury.
Yes.
Okay, time is running. Naveen, I have to give a feedback. Your English is proper. You can convey the message. All you need a little bit of practice. So, how are you doing practice?
By attending sessions, and
No, no, no. It is only 20% which teachers give you. It is only
okay.
20%. 70, 80% is your job.
Yes.
So you have to practice, practice, and practice. What is your native language?
Telugu.
Telugu. Now anybody can beat you in Telugu. I don't know Telugu, bilkul. And
Mm.
you are born with Telugu.
Yes.
The surroundings taught you how to speak. Now you have to make surroundings to learn English. Now you are learning a new language,
Yes.
right? You are learning a new language. You have taken one step ahead. At least you can speak. I can't speak Telugu. At least you can speak other language also. So you have taken a first step ahead. Now you're on a journey. It's a journey.
Yes.
It's a long way. There's a long way to go. So you have to practice. Go to the YouTube videos present there. Childhood stories, small stories. Watch that. then make it in your own words. You'll come to understand how to put a frame a sentence. You don't have to bask in depend on only these sessions.
Okay.
There's a lot to do on your own also. Go to those videos, watch them, try to make it in your own try to make that story in your own words, right?
Oh, sure.
So whenever you are thinking of something, suppose you have to call your family, you have to, something is going in your head, then also think in English. Oh, I have to
Mm.
call my family. Oh, my mother will be waiting for my call. Oh, my boss is waiting. So things like that, think in English only. Okay,
Sure.
this is
Okay.
a journey, it will take a long time. Don't depend on teachers only. Okay,
Sure.
thank
Sure.
you, Naveen, it was a great session.
Yeah, it was a great session for me also. And give me two tips to think in English from your
Think
side.
in English. So, for example, you are cooking rice in rice cooker. You said that. Oh, this I have to wash rice first. Then I have to wash rice twice or thrice. Then only it will get clean. Then I have to add salt into the rice to cook that. So things like that. Think in English. For example, think in English what to say. Do like this. What will you say in English?
Um,
Clench your
what?
fist. Make a
Clench
fist,
your fist.
clench your fist.
Clench your
Wear
fist. Okay.
wear your jacket. Take off
Hmm.
your jacket. Take off
Yeah.
your jacket. I'll figure it out. I'll do that. This is conversational. First, you have to uh, get hold of your speaking skills on given topic, which you
Okay.
will gain after reading, going through those stories. Then you have been given a topic. Now tell something on that topic. Then comes conversational English, how to talk with each